There are some interesting facts you need to know about Biafra, and these are the things we are here to bring to you. Did you know, apart from Nigeria, there are so many other nations, should I say countries, that you will find the indigenous people of Biafra, that is the Igbos. Well, we are going to diverse it to you. See other nations with an Igbo indigenous population beside Nigeria. One of the biggest ethnic groupings in Africa is the Igbo, often known as to be called Igbo. The majority of Igbo speakers reside in southeast Nigeria. Sometimes it is referred to the entire old eastern part of Nigeria, where they account for over 20% of the country's population. They are also widely spoken in Cameroon, Gabon, and Equatorial Guinea as a result of the slave trade. Some are also found outside of Africa. They also call their language Igbo. Igbos, Equatorial Guineans. Equatorial Guinea is the only Spanish-speaking African country that is situated in the middle of the ocean and is geographically divided from the rest of Africa by sea. It is situated at the eastern end of the Gulf of Guinea on the west coast of Africa. The Igbo ethnic group, which also lives in southeastern Nigeria and off the Bight of Biafra, as well as the Bubi and Fang ethnic groupings, are some of the tribes according to a 2012 report in Bioko. The Igbo, who are officially the third largest tribe in Boko, after the Fang and the Bubi, occupy a tiny territory. The 33,500 or so Igbo in Equatorial Guinea are no longer unreached. Although they are a minority, they belong to the Igbo people cluster, which is part of the Sub-Saharan African Affinity Bloc. They are the third largest group in Equatorial Guinea, which has about 1.2 million people overall. Igbo is their main language. Marginal Christianity, a religion with Christian roots but not Christian theology, is the main religion practiced by the Igbo. There are also Igbos in Haiti. Princess Igbo attends the celebration. The Haitian god Igbo or Igbo, who is credited to the Nigerian Igbos, is appeased on every Igbo day in accordance with the culture and the tradition of the people of the eastern region of Nigeria. Haiti is a nation centered around the Caribbean island. The worship of Igbo from Igbo country in the Caribbean confirms the existence of the Igbo culture and that the incident is real. The Igwes from the Igbo shrine in Haiti appease the souls of the dead Igbo heroes singing in Igbo language. On the spirits of the dead African Igbo slaves, heroes were celebrated with dances, songs, and rituals every year as part of the festival of the Igbo deity. Igbos, the Cameroon, with roughly 113,000 people, Igbos make up a significant portion of the population of southern Cameroon. They speak Igbo and are primarily Christians, about 75% of them. Also, another group is Igbos in Jamaica. Between the 18th and the 19th centuries, Europeans sent Igbos people to Jamaica to work as slaves on plantations. Igbo people made up a sizable component of Jamaica's population, African slave population indeed. The enormous number of Igbo people held as slaves on various plantations throughout the island on various dates during the 18th century was documented in some slaves' consensus. Igbo cultures, in part, is still present in language, dance, music, folklore, food, religion, and mannerism. Their presence played a significant role in the development of Jamaican culture. We will continue bringing you more facts, insights as regards to some cultures, as well as the things you need to do or need to know about Igbos and Biafra. And that is why we called here Discover Biafra.